How to fix a hacked Android phone. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix a hacked Android phone. If you think that your device is hacked or if your Android device is hacked, now one of the reasons how you can know is that your battery drains very quickly. Previously, if you had a good battery backup system, now that your device is constantly consuming a lot of battery, then what you can do is you can simply go ahead and check for the battery uses. So for that, go to settings and over here scroll down. So here you can locate what application is actually consuming a lot of battery and you can try uninstalling it, and that might be able to fix the issue. Apart from it, you can also use antivirus tools. Open up your Play Store and then on the search box you'll need to go ahead and type in antivirus. You can try installing antivirus. First of all, before you do that, you need to take out your SIM and make sure that you are connected to a Wi-Fi service. After that, you need to go ahead and open up your Play Store. And once you open up Play Store, on the search box type in antivirus and make sure to install, and after that you can just run the applications. So this might be able to fix the issue, or else the only way to get rid of hacked Android phone is that you can try reinstalling a new software. So for that, you need to completely reset your phone as well as you need to completely reinstall the software. So doing this process might take a while, so you have to wait patiently. After doing that, you might be able to fix a hacked Android phone. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.